OneNote is a Microsoft application that is designed to help you conveniently capture and organize notes using any computer. However, you may also experience some issues such as a misplaced section, like this in OneNote. And to know how to resolve this problem, keep watching on this video. Now, misplaced sections appear in a notebook when OneNote tries to sync changes to a notebook section, but it cannot find the section file. When that happens, a misplaced section icon appears in your notebook list. The misplaced sections will stay in the shared notebook until OneNote finds the new location of the section, or until you move or delete the misplaced section. Now, if you want to move a misplaced section to another notebook, you can also do so and start by clicking the misplaced section in the notebook list. Then right-click the tab of the misplaced section that you want to move, and then choose the Move or Copy option. In the Move or Copy section dialog box, select the notebook or the location you want to move the section to. But if you intentionally want to delete a section and no longer need to sync or save changes to it, you can delete it by clicking again the Misplaced Sections, then right-click on the name of the section you want to delete, and then choose Delete to remove the section permanently. And those are the possible solutions that hopefully have resolved your problems with misplaced section. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.